If you are expert in this segment, please leave your thoughts in the comment section. It will really help the audience. Hi everyone, I am Barathan. I share interesting concepts and stories from the books and articles I read. The most important part of today's video is you don't need any Excel sheet and calculator to do all this calculation. You can do it just by dividing certain numbers. Come, let us get into today's video. Rule number 1. Rule of 72. What is meant by that? You all know the power of compounding. After some time, your investment will double and it will grow exponentially. How long it will take for my investment to double? It's very simple. Divide 72 by the rate of interest. For example, if you are planning to invest 1 lakh in a 10% interest rate annually, then it will take 72 divided by 10. So approximately it takes 7 years, 2 months for your investment to double. Surprised? You can use an Excel sheet using a compound interest formula. I will prove this 72 rule will work in any scenario. For example, I have entered the principal, rate of interest, number of years as 7. You can clearly see approximately it takes 7 years, 2 months for your money to double. So whenever you are planning to invest in any vehicle, just use this power of rule 72 to calculate when your amount will double its value. Rule number 2. How inflation will affect your assets value. You all know about the inflation. Whenever the inflation goes up, stock markets reacts. This is very simple to understand. You divided 70 by the inflation rate. For example, India inflation rate is close to 5%. So divide 70 by 5, it comes to 14. So it takes approximately 14 years for you to reduce the value of your investment to half of its value. For example, if you are living in Sri Lanka, the inflation rate is 14%. So it takes approximately 70 divided by 14, 5 years for your value of your investment to reduce to its half of its value. If you are living in US, the inflation rate is hardly 2%. So it takes approximately 35 years for the value of your investment to reduce to half of its value. Now you can understand why most of the people prefer to settle in US. Rule number 3. 4% rule for financial freedom. In today's generation, financial freedom is the most researched topic. How to retire early is one of the most searched keywords in Google. So to achieve financial freedom, you must know this simple 4% rule. For example, your annual expenses is 5 lakh rupee. You should have 25% of its value in your bank account. That comes to 1.25 crore. Out of this 1.25 crore, invest 50% in fixed deposit and debt fund, and remaining 50% in equities. Equities generally provide slightly good returns, whereas fixed deposit and debts gives a little bit lower returns. Every year you can withdraw 4%. By this way, you can enjoy your retirement life. If you are planning to retire early, consider this 4% rule for financial freedom. Rule number 4. Asset allocation rule. How to divide the asset allocation? It's very simple. Everyone will have a confusion. How much percentage you need to invest in equities, how much percentage you need to invest in debt vehicles. It's very simple. Subtract 100 from your age. So that is how we need to divide the asset allocation. For example, if your age is 30, subtract it from 100. So 70% you can invest in equity vehicles, 30% in debt vehicles. As you grow older, you need to increase your debt proportion versus equity, because the risk is very less in debt vehicle. Equities are prone to market risks. Rule number 5. 10-5-3 rule. What is meant by this 10-5-3 rule? How much expectation you can have from your investments. For example, if it is going to be in equities, you can consider 10% as a good investment. If you are planning for a debt vehicle, it is better to have 5% as your expectation. If it is going to be a fixed deposit, it's better to have a 3% as your expectation, considering all the income taxes which you are planning to pay on the interest rates. Rule number 6, the most important rule, home budget rule. You are the Prime Minister of your country, and most of the time you are the Finance Ministry of your house as well. So, as a Finance Ministry, how you are planning to allocate your home budget? It's very simple. It's called 50-30-20 rule. What is meant by this 50-30-20? 50% for all your basic needs, 50% for essentials like EMI, car EMI, rental and medical, and 30% for wants like example vacation, entertainment and gadget purchase, and 20% for investment. In this rule, this 20% is flexible. You can go on the upward direction. Rule number 7. It's a 3x emergency rule. It's advisable to have 3 times your monthly salary in your bank account or in your liquid asset to handle any type of emergency such as loss of job or medical emergencies. It's advisable to have 6 times of your monthly income in your bank account for extra safety. Rule number 8. 40% EMI rule. If you are planning to invest in home, car or in different gadgets using EMI, consider this rule. Your EMI should not exceed 40% of your monthly income. For example, your monthly income is 50,000 rupees and your loan amount should not cross 20,000 rupees at any point of time. The next time when you are taking loan, keep this in mind. Rule number 9. Life insurance rule. What is meant by this life insurance? We all invest in term policies. For example, if your monthly salary is 5 lakh rupees, then your life insurance should cover at least 20 times of its value. So you need to take a term policy for 1 crore. Even if you are not there, your family can maintain the same lifestyle for at least 20 years. Your dependent population will become independent within 20 years and then they can have their financial stability. So whenever you are planning to take a term policy, or if you already have a term policy and based on your salary growth, maybe it's good to revisit every 3 years once. So with this 9 financial rules, you can have a very good basic foundations. Keep in mind, it is more important to protect your wealth rather than accumulation. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family members. Your like and comments will give a feedback to me and to my work. We'll meet you next week with one more interesting topic. Till then, it's goodbye.